and welcome guys to my YouTube channel Salesforce Bold. Guys, in this quarantine period, everyone is learning something new. If we talk about Salesforce developers or admins, so they are working on some trailheads or preparing some upcoming examination. So guys, in today's video, we'll be creating a mini project guys. We'll be creating the famous Salesforce Lemonade stand app. Yes guys, you heard it right. There's an application for a lemonade stand. If you guys are thinking like why we need an application to sell the Nimbu Pani, so I won't judge you guys because I was thinking the same before checking out the documentation and the business plan of this. But after checking out the business plan, I decide to give it a try. Guys, while building this application, you will notice like you can create a similar app for almost any kind of business guys. And this is the key point of this application. Guys, today's video is very special because we'll be creating this application together. I'll be creating this application live in this video. I have not tried it yet guys. So we'll be creating it together. Guys, this application is for everyone. I mean, if you are an admin, so yes, it is having configuration part. If you are a developer, so yes, it is having some development part also. And if you are a business owner, so definitely after checking out the output, you will know at least how Salesforce can help you in your business. So guys, let's get started. I'll be sharing my screen now. Okay guys, so first of all, you have to log into your Trailhead account and search for the Lemonade app. Okay, as you can see in my screen guys, the Lemonade app is here, and in this app we are having 5 modules. So let's start with the module 1. As I told you earlier guys, this is not just a Lemonade app. I mean, while we'll be creating this app, you will actually feel like you can create a similar app for any kind of business. Okay, so let's start it. There's some description over here. Start your business. Okay, so this is the business plan here. Determine your products. What are you going to sell or offer? Okay, we'll be selling lemonades. Will you offer different variants? Yes, of course. What question will you ask your customer? I think we'll be asking for the quantity and the flavor. Yes. How will you track each order? Okay, I think we should have at least a unique order ID. Do you want to report number of orders types? Yes, definitely I need to report. How will you track revenue? I think we'll be calculating the profits for that. Okay, so the first step is launching the Trailhead. Let's launch the playground here. Okay. I think this page is having some problems. It's getting refreshed automatically. Let me try to launch it again. Yeah, I think it will work this time. Okay guys, so this was the first step to launch the playground and we have successfully launched it. Let's check the verify. Okay guys, assessment complete. We have 100 points now. Now let's tackle the next step. Okay, so next step we are having a custom object. Okay, so we have to build a custom object. Okay, let's create a custom object here. We'll go in object manager, create custom object. Okay, object name is drink order. Okay, let's copy the name. Alright, so this is the label, drink order. What else information? Okay, drink orders. So this is the plural label. Okay, object name, record name, drink order number. Alright, so the record name will be drink order number and it is an auto number. Display format. Okay, and here's the starting number. Alright, select allow reports. Okay, under the object creation option, available only when a custom object is first created. Select launch new custom. Okay, it's not the first time we are creating a custom object, so the option will not be there. So let's click on allow reports. Okay, and I think everything looks fine to me. Click on save button. Okay, we are good to go with the object. What's the next step? Make a custom tab. Okay, so for the custom tab, the tab wizard did not automatically launch. That's okay. Enter tabs in the quick find and select tabs in the custom object tab section. Click new. Okay, in quick find, select tabs in the custom object tab section and click new. Okay, so let's select tabs, custom object tab section. Okay, so we are creating a new tab here. Let's select object here. Our object is drink order. Click tab style and choose an image. Click next and save. Okay, let's select a tab style here. Do we have a lemon here? We are having apple. No, I don't think. Let's search for lemon. No, we are not having lemon here. So let's select the bottle. Okay, enter short description. Okay, click on next. Okay guys, so our custom tab is also ready. Okay, we are having our custom object and tab now. Okay, so this was the second step. Let's verify it. Okay, so we have completed this assessment also. Now let's tackle the next step. Okay, next step is to create custom fields here. So in that object we'll be creating some fields now. Okay, let's go to object manager, search for drink. Here's our object. Okay, let's go to field and relationships. Select pick list. Okay, so we have to create pick list first. Here's the pick list. Okay, let's click on next. define the field label as follows. Okay, field label will be flavor. Okay, field label is flavor. All right. Values, select enter values with each value separated by a new line. Yes, I think everyone is aware about it. What are the values? Enter flavor, each one is in, choose any flavor you want. Okay, add required, select always. Okay, so guys, we have to select the flavors here. So let's say flavor is let's say normal. Okay, let's add mango and blueberry, grape. Yeah, I think we are good with the flavors. Okay, what is next step? So always required value. This is the required pick list. Okay, so this is the required pick list. Now let's click on next. Yes, we need it on the page layout and all the permissions. Okay, so we have to create one more field. So let's click on save and new. So we'll be creating a custom field for size. Okay, what will be the field type? The field type will be pick list. All right. Okay, so I have selected pick list. Field label is size. Okay, we have to enter values here. Let's say small, medium and large. Okay, this is also a required field. Let's click on this checkbox. Now we will do the same, next, and save this record. Okay, we are having some more fields here. Let's click on save and new. Now we are having a currency field, price. Okay, the field name is price and length was 10. Okay, decimal place is 2. This is also required field. Okay, now we'll be doing next and then save. Okay, what is next? Okay, I think these were the only fields for this application. Yes, we are having fields here. Let's verify this step, guys. Meanwhile, it's verifying. Let me click on the cancel button because we are not having any more fields here. All right. Okay, we are having 100 more points here. Let's tackle the next step. Okay guys, this is the interesting part. We'll be creating an application now. Okay, in the setup, enter app manager in the quick find. Here's the app manager. New lightning application. Okay, application name will be lemonade. Okay, developer name, no. Description. Okay, click next on the next to screen. App option and utility items. Okay, let's change the color to the lemon color. Okay, Here's the yellow. Okay, I think this will work. Yeah, it's looking nice now. Can we change the text color here? I don't think so. Let's click on next. Or yeah, we can do one more thing. We can also upload the image, but in this Trailhead we are not using an image, so let's keep it as simple as it is. Let's click on next. Okay, do we have to change anything in the app options? Okay, no, we do not have to change anything. We just have to skip it to the select items. Yeah, here it is, select item. Then select the drink order item, then click right arrow to move it to the selected items. Okay, so we'll be selecting our app here, drink orders. Yeah. Okay, so the drink order is now in selected items. Select the system administration profile, click next to move. Okay, so next screen we'll be selecting the profile. Okay, click on next. Okay, the profile is here. Click on save and finish. All right. Okay, so guys, I think the application is ready now. Now we have to create a sample order. Okay, let's search for the app first. Yay, here is our application. Okay guys, you can see the lemon color theme here as we have selected the color. Okay, let's close this window. Let's create a new order. Do you have to put any specific values in order? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's create a random order here. So let's select the flavor. I'll have a mango lemonade. I don't know even if it is exist or not, the mango lemonade. Okay, so I'll be having a medium glass, and the price, let's say the mango lemonade price is $20. Okay, let's click on the save button. So guys, this was our first order in the lemonade app. So the order is created now. Yeah, here it is. Okay, everything is looking good here. All right, let's verify this step also. Could not find at least 4. Oh, so we have to create at least 4 records. Okay, so let's select more records. Okay guys, as you can see in this application we are not storing customer details. I mean, we are not having the customer name here. So you can customize the application as per your business requirement. I mean, suppose if I was having a lemonade stand, so I must be saving the customer name at least, and I think there should be customer mobile number also. I mean, suppose if I'm having some new flavors in my lemonade stand, so I could just text them. Yeah, and I think there should be some more changes. Let me suggest you. Yeah, we can also have predefined price based on the flavor and size, so we do not have to put the price every time. Yeah, I think that's enough. So let's create 3 more records. Okay, so in this scenario guys, for the small glass. The price is $10 and the medium one is for 20 and the large one is for $30. Okay, so let's save some records here. Okay, it is record number 2 and now we'll be having record number 3 here. Okay, let's save it. Great. Now let's create a final record. Alright guys, we are ready with 4 records. Let's verify the step now. I think the last step will be to create the reports. Let's check it out. Okay, so assessment completed. Let's tackle the next unit. Okay, the next unit is, yes, it is about the reports. So we have to create a drink order report here. Okay. For lemonade stand, let's create a report that shows overall sales organized by flavor. Alright guys, so we'll be creating a report here. So the first tab is click the report tab. The report tab, where is the report tab here? Let's add the report here. Okay, so we are having the reports now. Let's click on the reports tab. Okay, then new report. Here it is. Then in the search report type, enter drink orders and select drink orders. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, now search for our object and select it. Alright, click continue, enter flavor in the column, search and select flavor. Okay. Okay, so we have to add some more columns here. Let's add flavor. And size and price. Okay. Size and price. Okay, we are having our columns here. Alright, what is the next step? In the group rows, enter flavor and select flavors to create a grouping. Okay, so we have to refresh the view first. Okay, then we have to select the flavor and select flavor to create grouping. Okay, let's click on this update preview automatically, so the preview will be updated automatically. Okay. Okay, now we'll be grouping the rows by this field. Okay, so now rows are grouped by flavors, as you can see in the screenshot here. In the price column heading, click on the down arrow, choose summarize and select sum. Okay, so we'll be having sum of the price to calculate the profit. Okay, Click the size column to sort the drink order by size. It is optional steps, guys, so we won't be performing it. Okay, now save the report, and report name is drink orders. Okay, description. Alright guys, let's run this report. Okay, so looks good to me. Now what is the next step? Okay, we'll be adding a chart here, so let's click on the chart icon, add chart. Okay, in the chart section, click the setup icon. Okay, so here's the setup icon. What will be the chart type? Click the donut icon and complete the chart attribute. Okay, so this is the donut chart, and the chart title will be drink orders by flavor. Okay, here it is. Okay, chart title, drink orders by flavor. Value will be record count. Value is record count. Check the show value. Okay, this is the checkbox to display the values. Click the drop down arrow next to the edit and select save. Okay, so the chart has been saved, guys. This chart will be useful while you will be creating a dashboard for this application. Okay, so we are not having any dashboard for this application here, so let's verify this step. Okay guys, so this is done. We have a new batch now, and this batch is special to me because it's my 101 batch. Okay, I have become a ranger recently. Alright guys, so that's it for today, and I hope guys you learned something new and you will be creating this app into your org, and I hope you will be using it for some other businesses also. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Please click on the subscribe button and share it with your friends if you like the content. And if you have any queries guys, you can leave it in comment section below guys. I'll revert back as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next one guys. Till then, bye. Jai Hind. Peace.